In this lesson, I will show you how to create a circle inside a sketch. I will take a new sketch inside this front plane. Now I will activate my circle tool from this sketch tab from here, or if I press S key in my keyboard, I can also access from here. So first I will go to drop down menu of this circle tool, and then I can see there are two different types of circle is available. I will select first type. For this first type, there are 2 points I have to define, center and radius. So I will select my center, then I have to define my radius, and this is the circle. It's really very easy to create. Now I will create another circle. I will go to second type, which is perimeter circle. To create this circle, I have to define 3 points. I will define first point, second point and third point, and this is the circle. Let's say I have 3 lines here. By using 3 lines, I can create my circle. So I will activate this perimeter circle. I have to select this 3 lines because based on this 3 lines, I want to create a circle. First line, second line, and as soon as I select my third line, this circle will create based on these 3 lines. Then if you want to make this circle as a construction geometry, this circle is selected right now. I will select this option to make this circle construction.